Hello everybody, NooBiker here, coming to you from the twisty roads of Essex in the UK. You're watching Motoramblings.
2, 1, go! Hey guys, welcome back to Motoramblings again. Still on the same ride with Mitchell. Hi Mitchell.
Hi.
We're now on 209 between Trust, North Carolina and Hot Springs. We're heading toward Hot Springs. We just passed a motorcycle who tapped his helmet. And what does that usually mean, Mitchell?
Either cops or accident.
Something going on up here. Although that's been a little bit already and nothing yet. But we're going to take it extra easy for a little bit until we figure out what that was all about. Tell the folks where we just stopped and ate.
Dave's 209.
Dave's 209 Cafe. And what did you think of it? It's the first time you've eaten there, right?
Yep, it's pretty good. I like all the stuff all over the walls, all the memorabilia and stuff.
Yeah, mostly movie posters.
Yep.
And they have some shirts that you can buy with all the different popular rides. Copperhead Road, a bunch of other ones. So yeah, it's a pretty neat place. We just split a pepperoni pizza that, in my opinion, was excelente. God, that bale of hay looked like it was moving around a lot. So would you recommend the pizza to people, or would you say nah?
Say again?
Would you recommend the pizza to people, or?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. It was good, huh?
That's pretty good.
Good. Now they have a whole...
Like I don't know if it's your microphone or if it's on my end, but you seem really, really quiet.
That's funny, because I thought you did too.
Oh.
My microphones are right in front of my mouth.
Yeah, it kind of sounds like, almost like there's a lot of wind or something like that.
Actually, I feel a little bit of wind on my chin, so maybe that's what's going on. Sharp corner. Huh. Yeah, let me see if I can make an adjustment. Open that, open that. Oh yeah, don't open it right in front of your eyes. That's not smart. Bet you're getting a lot of wind noise now.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, let's try that. Any better?
Oh yeah.
Ah, okay. Yeah, my little neck warmer thing was too far down. So there's a lot of wind coming up under my helmet.
I was gonna say, it seems like there's a lot of interference.
But it's better now?
Yep.
Excellent.
I know mine's still a little lower. I'll have to adjust mine.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like touching my chin more than it was.
Okay. Yeah. I've definitely noticed a difference since we put that big old sock on it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I had to turn you up versus the first part of the ride. I didn't need to turn you up then. So the microphone must be in a different spot.
Yeah, I'll just have to move it up a little bit.
Yep. So anyway, yeah, we went up over Doggett Mountain, then we stopped at Dave's 209 Cafe and had a pizza. Now we're heading across 209 toward Hot Springs, checking out the river with the waterfalls. Very cool. And we're riding the twisty fun road. So what do you think of this road so far? Not a big deal, right?
No, not really.
But that's why I like this road, is because you got some good sweeping turns like this. You got wide open, beautiful area to look at. And as you will find out, we also have some tight, technical parts of the road coming up. And this corner is a surprising corner. It just doesn't look as sharp as it is until you're into it. So I figured I'd turn on the camera for a little bit, let you say hi to the folks, let them know what you think of the road so far.
I mean, so far it's pretty fun.
Yeah.
And I'm enjoying it more just because I'm not going to work.
Right. Yeah. It's nice to go out on a ride just to go on a ride, not because you have to be anywhere.
Yeah, because like whenever I'm going to work, I'm like, oh yeah, it's nice, I can cruise, and then I'm like, well, no, I can't because I gotta go to work.
Yep. Yeah. The sad thing is when we're done with this, and it's still so nice out, we'll figure out what to do next.
Yeah, I'm already thinking about that.
Yep. I don't want to go up to the Blue Ridge Parkway and to the elevation because then it's going to be colder.
Yeah.
And most of the parkway is so shut down because of the weather.
I was gonna say, I'm sure there's still snow up there. Well, parts, especially because it rained, you know.
Right.
Even just like cruising around like Weaverville and stuff like that, it's alright with me just because I am riding.
Right.
And it's, you know, like I said, not going to work. I can look around at all the beautiful scenery around us.
Yeah, and not be thinking, damn, I'm going to work.
Yeah, exactly. Like, oh god, I wonder how many deliveries they got. I wonder how many cars they stole.
Yeah. So, yeah, it is. It's very cool, you know, and not having any sort of deadline. You don't have to be anywhere. We don't have to be home at a certain time. We don't have to, you know, be to someone somewhere at any particular time.
Nope.
It's just a nice day out ride. Now imagine doing this when it's 20 degrees warmer.
Oh, it'd be so much nicer. Wow, that whole bus up there is cool.
Missed it.
Oh, it was up on the left.
Oh.
It's like a really old one.
Nope, I missed it. Now, if you had an adventure bike, we could take a left right here, and that'll take us up to Max Patch.
I'll convert this into like a scrambler / tracker, and I'll put some knobbies on there.
There you go.
You know, hike up the fenders a little bit, put some knobby tires on there, we'll be good to go.
There you go. You got to get some sort of skid plate to protect all that crap underneath.
Yeah, it'll be fun. I actually really kind of want to do that though. Just because I really like the look of that, and because then I can follow you on some of the other kind of roads.
Yeah. I do love getting on the dirt roads, unless they're covered with ice.
Yeah.
That wasn't a whole lot of fun. So anyway, yeah, just wanted to kind of bring the camera on and talk to you a little bit on camera while we were going through some of these not quite as technical Twistys, but you know, it's a good learning kind of road. I mean, there's so much to it. Outside in, inside out. This is a pretty good hairpin turn with an elevation change. And I don't know why I put my directional on.
Wondering that. Like it still goes straight technically.
It's still the same road. Yep. And yes, I have done this road enough that there's a lot of times where I'm hitting it at much higher speeds.
I don't even know what the speed limit is on this road.
Probably 35.
Oh.
But there are a lot of corners where 35 is pushing it.
Yep.
Again, I've mentioned this in some of my videos before, that this loop is really good just for, you know, a short time, like after work when the sun is out longer, or if we just have a little bit of time. I come on this road on both bikes, you know, and some of our other friends here give me a hard time. Oh, you're always on 209. Well, yeah, because it's got everything, and it's such a great road to practice on and learn on and get better on, that I do it fairly regularly, and I'm always just trying to improve my skills. And I think for you, it could be the same thing.
Yep.
It's a fun road, as you're about to find out when we get in these technical little Twistys.
Oh no, even just what we've been doing has been pretty fun.
Oh yeah. Yep. And it gets even more fun when there's not a car in front of you.
I was gonna say when there's not a Versa in our way.
Yeah. And so yeah, I think you'll find this road to be a great go-to road to really work on your skill. It's done wonders for me. But with that, I think I'm going to shut off the camera, being that we're stuck behind this car for the moment anyway.
Watch, you're going to shut it off and they're going to get out of the way.
Right. Well, I can always turn it back on.
That's true.
If they don't get out of the way, we'll pull off somewhere and give them some space.
Okay.
But again, rock walls on one side, drop-offs on the other.
It's so beautiful right here, too.
It really is. The spot I'm hoping to pull over into is just incredible view. You'll want to take a picture for sure.
Oh yeah.
This part here I call like a little rhythm section.
Yeah.
Back and forth, back and forth. Love it.
It's fun just kind of transitioning the bike from one corner to the other. Wow, they really did that?
They really did that. Unbelievable.
Like it's not.
And look,
that tight, yeah.
And here comes a group of motorcycles.
Yeah, about 10 seconds earlier, not even.
Right. You know, and I don't feel like I'm like right on this guy's ass.
No, and it wasn't even a corner he had to do that on.
No.
I can't stand whenever people do that kind of stuff.
And now,
like, really?
I know. Now we got two of them.
Got 3.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, we're definitely going to pull over as soon as we can.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to shut the camera off. We, hear that folks? I said we will be back. See ya.